In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely and permanently remove OneDrive from your PC or laptop running Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. OneDrive is a cloud storage program published by Microsoft that comes pre-installed on all Windows 11 and 10 computers. To get started, right-click on the Start menu icon and run the terminal as administrator. Click Yes on the security prompt. Now you're going to run a few commands which you can find in the description below. It's important that you copy and paste all of them one by one in the exact same order. This command will install the script that we will use to uninstall OneDrive. Run the script we just installed and watch it uninstalling OneDrive. When it's completed, we can verify it's gone. If we go to File Explorer, you'll see that the OneDrive integration in the navigation pane is no longer here. And if I search for it in the Start menu, the app is gone. I only have a leftover folder. Type this last command, and now you are done. OneDrive has been completely removed from your system.